Ever wish you could turn your overflowing camera roll into neat, shareable PDF documents right on your iPhone? Let's make it happen. First, open the Photos app on your iPhone. Next, tap Select in the top right corner, and then carefully choose all the photos you want to include in your PDF. Once you've selected your photos, tap the share icon in the bottom left corner. It looks like a square with an arrow pointing upwards. Now, scroll down the share sheet until you find the print option, and tap it. You will now see the print options screen. Notice the preview of your selected photos. This is the clever part. Use a pinch-out gesture. Place two fingers on the preview image and move them apart to zoom in. This will instantly convert the preview into a PDF document. See that? The share sheet reappears, but now it's showing your newly created PDF file. Now, tap Save to Files. Choose a location, like your iCloud Drive or on My iPhone folder, and tap Save. And that's it. Your photos are now neatly compiled into a single PDF document, ready to be shared, emailed, or stored. You can find it in the Files app, in the location you selected. Simplify your life and keep your important photos organized, all thanks to this easy iPhone trick. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful iPhone tips.